Good morning, third graders. For Fundations this morning, we're going to start by reviewing some of our new large sound cards this year that we had in third grade. So go ahead and echo me. We have PH phone, f, CH chorus, k, TURE capture, chur, TU spatula, chew, TCH catch, ch, EI ceiling, e, UI suit, oo, IGH light I, IE peace E, EA steak A, and EIGH A. All right, we have our last two new sound cards today for third grade, and these are considered to be digraphs or glued sounds. Either one is fine. Okay, we have our last two new sound cards for the year. We have TI patient sh and CI glacier sh. Okay, we're going to use these two sounds that are considered to be digraphs or glued sound. We're going to talk about how these words are used, or these sounds are used with some of our suffixes. So we have some new suffixes today that we're going to talk about. We have the AL suffix, which makes the ol sound. We have the ENT suffix, which makes the ent sound. We have the OUS suffix, which makes the us sound. We have the AN suffix, which makes the an sound, and then the ER suffix, which makes the Okay, we're going to talk about when you use the TI and the CI together with these suffixes, it makes kind of one sound. So these two glued sounds or digraphs, they're going to connect these suffixes together, and it's going to be part of the word. So it's going to actually be part of the syllable. So we'll see that in some of our words today. All right, let's look at, we have just 5 words today that we're going to go over these sounds and our new suffixes. So our first word is crucial. We have crucial. It's 2 syllables. The first syllable is k, r, u. The second syllable is sh, and then ol. All right, so we have to decide if we're going to use the TI or the CI in this. So we have u, sh, ol. Okay, notice we're using the CI in this case that makes the sh sound. All right, let's divide it into syllables. We have 2 syllables, crucial, and let's mark it up. We're going to mark, first of all, our blend. Okay, the U makes a long U sound, so we're going to call this an open syllable. All right, so for this part of our word, we're going to underline our CI, and we know that the CI makes the sh sound, so we want to write that sound above it. And we're going to circle our suffix AL. All right, so this sound together, we have shoal. Okay, that those two, this sound and this suffix kind of go together, blend together, connect together to make that one sound shoal, like crucial. Okay, our next word is Martian. We have Martian. It's 2 syllables. The first syllable we have m-r. The second syllable we have sh-un. Now again, we're going to have to decide which shun to use. So let's look at our board. We have m-r and sh and Martian. Okay, so notice we use the TI in this case to make the shun sound. So we have first syllable mar, second syllable shan, and we have this first syllable, we're going to circle our AR, which is an R-controlled vowel, so we're going to put an R-controlled syllable there. The second syllable, we're going to underline the TI again. Remember, the TI is making the sh sound, so we want to put the sh above it. We're going to circle our suffix an. Okay, so this is connecting, the TI is connecting the suffix kind of to blend together into one sound. We have the shan sound, Martian. Okay. All right, the next word we have is glacier. We have glacier. It's 2 syllables. The first syllable is g-l-a. The second syllable is sh-er. Okay, again, you notice that we have the sh sound. We're going to use either the TI or the CI. So we have g-l-a, and then we have sh-er. Notice we're using the CI in glacier. Let's mark our syllables. We have 1 syllable, 2 syllables. We have a blend. GL is our blend. A is making the long A sound, so we have an open syllable. Okay, we see our CI here, so we're going to underline that. That makes the sh sound. So we're going to put the SH above that. We're going to circle our suffix ER. Remember, the CI is connecting the suffix together, so it makes the sure sound together. So between the suffix and the CI that kind of connects together, blends together to make that one sound. Okay, our next word is patient. We have patient. It's 2 syllables. The first syllable we have A. The second syllable we have sh, ent. We're going to use that suffix that makes the ent sound. So we have patient. Notice we used our TI for the sh sound. Let's mark it up. We have patient, our 2 syllables. The first syllable we have A says A, so we have our open vowel syllable. Our second syllable, we're going to underline the TI, which is making the sh sound, and we're going to circle our ENT suffix. So the TI-ENT is all blending together to make the shunt sound. Okay, our last word today is delicious. Delicious. Okay, we have 3 syllables this time. We have E, we have I, and then we have shus. Okay, let's write it first. We have delicious. And let's mark our syllables. We have delicious. Okay, we have a long E. E says E, so we have an open syllable. This is making the short vowel sound instead of the long vowel sound, so this will be an open syllable exception. We're going to underline our CI, which is making the sh sound. Our suffix is the OUS, so we're going to circle that. The CI is connecting the suffix to make the shush sound. Shush, delicious. Okay, we have 2 new sets of sound-alike words also. The first set we have straight and straight. So we have STRAIGHT. We refer to straight in this case like a straight line, when a line or something is moving in one direction only. And then we also have a straight, STRAIT. This is a thin or small body of water that is connected to 2 larger bodies of water. That's called the straight. Our last set of sound-alike words, we have side and side. So we have this side, SIDE, which is referring to a side, like a side of a square. Or we have this side, SIGHED. If you take in a breath like this and then let it out, you're kind of sighing, okay? So it's an action that you're actually doing. Okay, so when you're going to actually mark up your words on your paper. You don't have to write sentences today, just mark up your words.